Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Root Beer here, and I hope you're all doing well. We're going to be looking at question number 21 in this video, the first question in Part C on our Grade 8 Gauss from 2010. In the diagram, AB is parallel to DC, which we have noted by these arrowed lines, and ACE is a straight line. Okay, so A to C to E. The value of X is, so X is representing an angle up here. Now we've got one triangle down here. We've got another triangle down here, split up by this ACE. And I'm noticing some other angles, a 75 here, a 180, 105 here, and a 115 here. And parallel lines, I mean, they wouldn't bother to mention parallel lines if I wasn't going to use that. So I start thinking about results involving angles, because I see lots of angles, and parallel lines, because they bothered to tell me about that. So we'll draw our diagram over in a picture, or over in our notebook, and then we can just start drawing with it. So we got a 75 here, 115 here, X is up here, and we've got a 105 here. Okay, now I could just start filling in some numbers. 105, if ACE is a straight line, then this red angle and 105 need to add up to 180. Okay, so I get a 75 there. Oh, look, these guys happen to be equal because we've got an isosceles triangle. I don't know if that's necessarily going to help, but there we go. What else can we do? Well, I can figure out this angle because this one, 75 and 75, need to add up to 180 because the sum of the angles inside a triangle is 180. 2 75s is 150, and that leaves 30 here. But at this point, I start to get kind of stuck. I can't think of anything else that I can immediately see to work with. Okay? And that's when I start remembering, oh yeah, the parallel line stuff, right? Well, there's a couple results to know about parallel lines. First of all, if I've got two parallel lines and a third line that crosses them, like, I don't know, we got A, B, C. BC crosses ACE. Or, sorry, yeah. We could use BC. No, actually, I guess I want to use AC crosses AB and CD, and these ones here are parallel. Okay, so we get a couple nice results. For example, we get the F result, so named because of the letter F that we can see here. And these two angles that... the angle at which the line intersects two parallel lines is always the same. Other nice things that we can see, the dot and the X angles, this is sometimes known as the C theorem, will add up. Another nice one that we can figure out, I'll use color to make it a bit more apparent, this is sometimes called the Z theorem, because or Z theorem if you're American, and it's that the angles sort of inside the crooks or corners of the Z are equal, so these two X angles are equal. So there's lots of things that we could be using here, but I notice I've got 30 degrees here, and I've got a little Z pattern here, which tells me I should have a 30 degrees here, and now I've got 1, 2, 3 angles in a triangle. I know they have to add up to 180, so X plus 115 plus 30 must be 180. So X is going to be 150 minus 115. The hundreds will cancel out. 50 minus 15, this will be 35. So X is 35 degrees, and that is an answer of A. So there we go. And that finishes up question number 21. We're off to a great start for Part C. Up next, of course, question 22. I will see you for that one next time. Until then, take care.